How to go live on TikTok. So for that you have to follow the simple step and watch the video till the end. First step is that you have to take your illegal First step is that you have to check the requirement for your TikTok live. So the requirement is, first of all, age requirement. You need to be at least 16 years old to access the live feature. If you are over 18, you can also send virtual gift. And you can also go for the followers requirement because the TikTok requires you to have at least 1,000 followers to go live. On the number second, you have to update your TikTok app. Ensure your TikTok app is up to date to access the latest version. So you have to just go for your Apple Store and search for the TikTok app here. So once you have searched for the TikTok app, if there is any update available, then you have to tap on the update option and wait for the update has been successfully completed. Once the TikTok Live has been successfully updated, you have to open the TikTok app on your device. After opening your TikTok app, you have to make sure that you have the login into your account. Once you have a login into your account, you have to go to the create screen. So you have to tap on the plus icon which is on the bottom of the screen to create a new project. So once you are here, you have to swipe to go live. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the option like post or live, etc. Swipe left until you see the go live option here. So just go for the go live option. Once you are on your go live option, you have to set up your live stream. So here you can see the add title option. You will be prompted to enter a title for your live session. Make sure it's engaging and describing what you will be doing. Also, you can adjust your setting before going to live. You can just navigate to your setting and you can just go and you can here you can manage your setting. You can also comment your setting here and you can disable the comment too. After doing all, you can just go for the live and tap on the go live option once you are ready here, and your followers will get notification and people can start joining your live session. So you can interact with your viewer while on your live. You can see the comment from the viewer, respond them, and even receive the virtual gift if you are over the 18-year old. So that's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.